Hello folks, I'm here again. I'm going to show you this machine, how it works. The Viking. Okay, here's all the design and there is the machine. Okay, I'm going to show you. Now they are stitching small size. That's the one. Okay. They are working right now. And then I have to change it the new design. And here you go. They are designed. Okay, this one we'll put it like this. This one, that one. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. I'm putting it on the right place so that you guys can see. You can see the result at the back. That is the result. I have no enough fabric, but trying to show you the result of the stitch. That is the result. This one, this one, and this is the last. This is the last one. That one, the small, and now it's go back again. You can see it. It's like a embroidery pattern design. Okay. That's the one. This and this. Every function of this machine is